One of the things that seems to be a hang up for most everybody at some point in time is the fear of making a wrong decision. Well, I've got some really cool research to share with you. It turns out there aren't right and wrong decisions. It turns out that what makes a decision right is both our pre-contemplation of it and, more importantly, what we do after the decision is made. So the language for this is, it's not about making the right decision, it's about making a decision right. You see, it's the follow-through that makes a decision right. I know that it's completely against what most of us think. We get all hung up on this, but our brains just can't take this. The reality is, everything that we do after we've reached a conclusion is what will bring it into alignment with whatever it is you desired in the first place. There's a great deal of relief in this. Imagine for a moment that you no longer have to worry about right decision, wrong decision. Imagine that what you have to ask yourself is, once I make that decision, what will I do to ensure that it turns out to be right for me, for this situation? What a relief. It does, however, require you to give a lot of thought to the follow-through. That'll make a difference for you, for the decision, and everything that comes as a result of it. So stop thinking about right decision or wrong decision. Think instead about what you'll do as the follow-through. That'll make it right. Good outcome.